please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Chokalingam, Tata Motors, what would your view be? Usually, we see 260, 250, the level from which Tata Motors usually recovers. But the growth in luxury car markets, as we saw yesterday as well, that some reports came by, have been weak. At these levels, Tata Motors, do you think it's fairly valued, or maybe it can go lower?
It's a fairly valued, difficult to visualize that it can be beaten down significantly from current level further. However, on upside also, it may not create a big money in the next 2 to 3 years. Minimum one has to wait for 2 years. There could be 10%, 15% upside in the short term, but beyond that, quite difficult because the Brexit, all of us know the kind of statements came yesterday, and apart from that, company has to invest heavily for shifting from diesel to petrol in the UK market, and then we don't know at this point in time the impact of US trade war on export out of UK or from Europe to rest of the world. So all these uncertainties are there. So therefore, considering the lot of losses, I would suggest hold and hope for to recover the money in next 2 years time frame.
All right, Sandeep, technically, how is Tata Motors looking to you?
Sumera, in the short term it is weak, but since she has a long term view, I would recommend a hold and maybe an averaging at the current levels with a stop loss of 230, and in the next 12 to 15 months I am looking at a price of maybe 340, 350. But if you have a next 2 to 3 months, I don't see any strength in Tata Motors.